here's how to change maturity age guidelines on your Roblox game. So the first step is to open up your browser and then go to roblox.com. Now once you log in into your account, you just have to click on create at the top, then go to creations, and then from here you can see your games. So simply click on your game. Now from here, as you can see, we have different settings that we can play around with. So as you can see here, we have our experience content. So as you can see, your experience is limited to 16 plus users and trusted friends. So you just have to click on reach more players. And then from here, as you can see, we can simply click on manage here. So we can see the different permissions. So here we have the US 18 plus rate, and then we have other settings. So let's go back here. So I'm going to go back to my creations. So basically we're gonna have to answer a questionnaire. So here we have the reach. So here, as you can see, experience reach, experience content rating minimal. So you just have to simply click on view questionnaire. And then from here, as you can see, I already did that. So you're gonna have to click on restart, and then we have different answers. Now you're gonna have to go through each one of them, otherwise you won't be able to submit. And basically you just have to make sure to answer correctly. So make sure to read all of them, and then after that you just have to submit, and basically they will take a look at your game, at your questionnaire, and then basically they'll give a rating. So we just have to click on submit, and basically that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.